Ready to unleash your inner short-form video star and share your iPad creations with the world. Alright, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the YouTube app downloaded on your iPad and that you're logged into your account. Tap the YouTube app icon to open it. Now, find the plus button at the bottom center of your screen and tap it to initiate the upload process. You'll see a few options. Tap Create a Short. This will open the Shorts camera. This is where the magic happens. Now, you can record a new short by tapping the red record button, or, if you have existing video footage ready to go, tap the square icon in the bottom left corner to access your iPad's camera roll. Select the video you want to upload. You can trim the footage here by dragging the ends of the timeline to adjust the length. Remember, shorts are typically up to 60 seconds long. Once you're happy with your clip, tap Next. Now it's time for the fun part, editing. You can add text, music from YouTube's library, effects, and even adjust the timing of your clips. Play around with these features to make your short really pop. Awesome! When you're happy with all your editing choices, tap Next again. Finally, it's time to publish. Add a captivating title and a relevant description. Don't forget to include some popular hashtags like #YouTubeShorts or other relevant tags to help people find your video. You can also adjust the visibility setting to set the time of your choice. Select Upload Short and let the creative energy flow. And you did it. You just created and uploaded a YouTube short from your iPad. Have fun creating.